As the city of Paris awakens, a particular corner of its historic heart stirs with memories of a bygone era, a place where luxury is woven into the very fabric of its walls, where every suite, every corridor whispers tales of grandeur. This is the Ritz, Paris, a symbol of opulence and a sanctuary of history, nestled within the timeless embrace of Place Vendôme. More than a mere hotel, the Ritz is a living monument, a bridge between the past and the present. It is a world unto itself, where yesterday's legends meet today's luxury. Over the next 10 minutes, join us on an intimate journey through its storied halls, where each corner hides a secret, each room a story. Our story begins with a man whose name would become synonymous with luxury, Caesar Ritz. Born in a small Swiss village in 1850, Ritz's journey to becoming the king of hoteliers was anything but ordinary. A visionary in the world of hospitality, Ritz was not content with the status quo. He believed that hotels should be more than just places to stay. They should be experiences in themselves, offering unparalleled comfort and elegance. He dreamt of a place where comfort was paramount, where even the smallest details were considered, and where every guest was treated like royalty. Ritz's attention to detail was legendary. He would personally inspect every room to ensure it met his exacting standards. In 1898, Ritz transformed this dream into reality. He opened the Hotel Ritz in Paris, a place that would soon become the epitome of luxury and sophistication. Partnering with the renowned chef Auguste Escoffier, he sought to create a haven for the elite. Escoffier's culinary genius complemented Ritz's vision perfectly, offering guests an unparalleled dining experience. In this place, the sophistication of Parisian life could be experienced in its purest form. The Ritz quickly became a favorite among the rich and famous, attracting royalty, celebrities, and dignitaries from around the world. His guiding principle? The customer is never wrong. This philosophy was revolutionary at the time and set a new standard for customer service in the hospitality industry. This mantra would define the Ritz, setting a new standard for luxury that the world had never seen before. The legacy of Caesar Ritz lives on, as his name continues to be synonymous with the highest levels of luxury and service in the hotel industry. Step inside the Ritz, and you are immediately enveloped in a world of aesthetic splendor. The hotel's architecture, a harmonious blend of classic French elegance and modern innovation, was designed to dazzle the senses. From the moment you cross the threshold, you are transported to a place where every detail is meticulously crafted to perfection. The Ritz was not merely built, it was curated. Each suite is a work of art, and each dining room is a masterpiece. The interiors echo the opulence of the Belle Epoque, yet they have been subtly updated over the years to ensure that the Ritz remains at the cutting edge of luxury, an icon that evolves while staying true to its roots. But the Ritz is not just a building, it is a living archive of the people who have passed through its doors. Each corner, each suite, and each hallway holds a story, a memory, a piece of history that has shaped the world as we know it. Legends of literature, fashion, and cinema have all found solace within its walls. The Ritz has been a sanctuary for the creative minds who have left an indelible mark on our culture. Marcel Proust wrote passages of his masterpiece In Search of Lost Time from his suite, finding inspiration in the luxurious surroundings and the tranquil atmosphere that the Ritz provided. While F. Scott Fitzgerald immortalized the Ritz in his writings, capturing the allure of its charm. His vivid descriptions brought the elegance and sophistication of the Ritz to life for readers around the world. Coco Chanel, the queen of haute couture, found refuge in the Ritz, making it her home for over 30 years. Her presence added an air of glamour and sophistication to the hotel, calling it her home for over 30 years. Her suite, a reflection of her iconic style, remains one of the most requested in the hotel, where fashion and comfort meet in perfect harmony. The suite is adorned with luxurious elements that echo Chanel's timeless elegance and innovative spirit, where fashion and comfort meet in perfect harmony. The Ritz continues to be a beacon of luxury, attracting those who seek the finest in life. Imagine the conversations, the ideas, the history that was written in these rooms. The walls of the Ritz have heard the whispers of secrets, the laughter of joy, and the musings of some of the greatest minds in history. The Ritz was not just a witness to history, it was a stage upon which it was played out, a place where the world's most influential figures lived, loved, and created. It has been a backdrop for countless historical events and personal milestones, a place where the world's most influential figures lived, loved, and created. The Ritz Paris remains a symbol of elegance, a testament to the enduring allure of luxury and the timeless appeal of history. Yet, not all of the Ritz's history is gilded. During World War II, the hotel was occupied by Nazi forces, becoming a headquarters for the Luftwaffe. The grand halls that once hosted royalty and aristocrats now echoed the footsteps of German officers. It was a dark chapter, yet the Ritz retained its dignity even in these times. Behind the opulent facade, the hotel staff and certain guests engaged in acts of quiet resistance. The Ritz became a covert meeting place for the French resistance, a hidden battlefield in the war against tyranny. The hotel's resilience during these dark times is a testament to its enduring spirit, a spirit that could not be broken, even by the ravages of war. With the war's end came a period of rebirth, not just for Paris but for the Ritz itself. The city, once shrouded in the shadows of conflict, began to shine again, and the Ritz Paris stood as a symbol of this newfound hope and renewal. The hotel quickly reclaimed its status as a beacon of luxury, a place where the world's elite could once again gather in peace. Diplomats, celebrities, and royalty walked through its grand doors, finding solace and splendor within its walls. Over the decades, the Ritz has continued to evolve, undergoing restorations that have ensured it remains a timeless icon. Each renovation has been a careful blend of preservation and innovation, honoring the past while embracing the future. Today, the Ritz is a blend of the old and the new. Its architecture and interiors reflect a seamless fusion of historic charm and modern elegance, creating an ambiance that is both nostalgic and contemporary. While it has been meticulously restored to its former glory, it now also offers the very latest in luxury. From state-of-the-art amenities to exquisite marble bathrooms, every detail has been designed to provide the utmost comfort and sophistication. Each suite has been reimagined, blending classic design elements with modern touches. The result is a collection of rooms that are both timeless and cutting-edge, offering guests a unique and luxurious experience. And each dining experience has been refined, ensuring that guests today can enjoy the same level of opulence that captivated visitors over a century ago. The culinary offerings are a testament to the Ritz's commitment to excellence, with menus that celebrate both tradition and innovation. But what truly sets the Ritz apart is the experience it offers, a symphony of luxury that goes beyond mere accommodation. Here, dining is an art form, with Michelin-starred chefs crafting culinary masterpieces that delight the senses. The Ritz's renowned spa offers a sanctuary of relaxation, where the world's worries melt away. And then, there's the Ritz Bar, a place where history and luxury converge. Order a Hemingway special, and you're not just enjoying a cocktail, you're sipping on history, sharing in a tradition passed down through the ages. The Ritz experience is about indulgence, but it's also about connection. To the past, to the city, to a way of life that few places on earth can offer. As we end our journey, one thing is clear. The Ritz Paris is not just a hotel, it's a living legacy, a place where history, luxury, and culture are forever intertwined. It stands as a testament to the vision of Cesar Ritz, the resilience of Paris, and the timeless appeal of luxury. Whether you're walking through its halls, enjoying a meal, or simply soaking in the atmosphere, the Ritz offers an experience like no other. It is a place where the past is always present, where every moment is a part of a grander narrative. This is the Ritz, Paris, a symbol of luxury with a storied past that continues to captivate the world. Opulent Chronicles explore luxury and history, Subscribe to discover the world's most extraordinary experiences.